Like, sis, summer is in 21 days, so let's get to it. Like, let's get it.
Just get me, yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow.
Hey guys, it's your girl Faye Sinclair, and thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you're new to my channel over here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Okay, you guys, so I have like a kind of like sit down video chit chat with you. And as you can tell by the title, it is how I lost 30 pounds. So right now I have been on a health and fitness journey, and it's been a little bit over a year now. So this is definitely not something that was quick, but I wanted to just share what I've been through on my journey. I'm still on my weight loss journey because I still have goals that I want to reach. I still have yet to reach those goals, but we're just going to talk about the reason why I started my weight loss journey, and then 5 things that help to, keep me motivated, keep me disciplined to stay on my weight loss journey and to reach my goals. And so I'm hoping that this can help some of you all. So let me show you guys some before and after pictures real quick. So this is me before. I was at like 241 pounds, and I was acting like I love my life, but I really did not. Like, I was kind of depressed and sad. I kind of had low self-esteem. If you're around me, you probably wouldn't know that, but because I hide stuff inside. But yes, like, I was not pleased with the way that I looked and how I felt about myself. And so currently I am around like two, I bounce back between like 213, 210 right now. So that's why I said I'm about 30 pounds down. Um, so this is what I'm looking like currently. So you can see a major difference. Okay, so a lot of y'all are probably wondering like, how did I start this journey? Like, when did I start it and why? So one of the reasons why I started this weight loss journey is because it was towards like the end of 2023. This is when I was the biggest, at 241 pounds. And also my nana passed around that time towards the end of the year. And she was about 71 years old. And y'all, like, she just looked so frail to me and like just not, healthy. Like, I've seen other 71-year-olds at the gym and stuff. I've seen them working out, going to Pilates, like still enjoying life, going on vacation and stuff. And so I said to myself, like, when I get 70, 71, like, I still want to be able to go about and move about and stuff like that. So that was definitely one trigger to me starting my weight loss. Second thing was I started getting heartburn, like, really bad, y'all. Like, it felt, one time I got it so bad, it felt like I needed to go to the emergency room. It was just really that bad. And it's because I was like overeating, also eating late at night. I would finish like a whole Chipotle bowl at like 10 o'clock at night because Chipotle stays open till 11. And so when I'm getting off of work doing hair, I'm thinking I'm going to get something healthy because I'm not getting like considerably like fast food or whatever. So I'm going to Chipotle and I'm literally eating the whole bowl. And so, yeah, like my heartburn was crazy. I do not wish that type of heartburn on anybody. And so, yeah, that was a wake up call to me. Like, girl, you got to get it under control. You got to get it under control because if not, you're going to need to be on medicine and everything like that. So after having the heartburn and stuff, I did go to the doctor. They told me, I had some deficiencies. And also they told me that I was at the stage of pre-hypertension. And so I do not want to be on any medications, like any type of blood pressure medications, diabetic medications right now. Like, I'm 31 years old. I'm too young for that. And so I really started taking my health seriously. So I made the goal January 1st. So new year, new me. You know how everybody makes their New Year's resolution, but I stuck to it. I stuck to it. And here is how I stuck to it. I'm about to give y'all 5 ways that I did it. Okay. All right. So, number one, I set a routine. I had started reading the book Atomic Habits. Still haven't finished it, but I set a routine. So I said I was going to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and go to the gym 3 days out the week. So my goal was to go Monday, Wednesday, Friday, just 3 days. If I can get 3 days in and do a workout in, I'm good. Like I'm set. I've set my goal. And so I started doing that, and that lasted me for a long time, for I would say for at least up until the month of May, because I was also in school at the time. I was getting my cosmetology instructor license. And so I'm going to school. I'm doing hair still, cause bills gotta get paid. So I'm working, going to school, and trying to work out. And so that was a big part. Like I consistently did that. I did not want to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning on those days, but I did it. And I stuck to a routine. I said if I can get through at least 21 days of this, then it can become a habit. It takes 21 days to form a habit. So if you're trying to stop a habit or start one, 21 days. Stay at it consistently. Also, with my routine, I started going to bed at an earlier time because I'm having to wake up early. So I went to bed early. So at least no later than 10 o'clock. That's when I started going to bed. And going to sleep actually helps with weight loss, if you guys didn't know. So you definitely need your rest, because while you're resting, your body is recovering and everything else. And you're actually burning calories while you sleep. Going to bed earlier definitely helped me out and helped me to stay consistent. So you need to make you a routine. So whether that's you want to work out like 2 times a week or something like that, or work out just one time. If you want to start off slow, let me get in 1 day a week, 1 to 2 days a week. That's fine. But start a routine and be consistent at that routine with waking up, going to bed, different things like that. All right. Number two, I created like my lock in account. Like I'm locked in, fully locked in. And this was an account on Instagram that I created. It's called Fit by Faith. And it started off as like my own personal fitness diary. And so I didn't really follow any of the people that I follow like on my regular page. Like my friends didn't even know about it until like months and months down the line, until they saw me like post from it and tag my original account. I think I may have only told like one of my friends or whatever. And then I told my parents and my brother, of course. But yeah, so like if people found me on that account, then they just found me. But I told nobody that I had that account. And then on that account, I only follow like fitness influencers. So I follow almost everything fitness. I follow motivational speakers on there. And then I also follow people that cook like healthy meals, like low calorie meals and stuff like that. So on my lock in account, like I literally look at that every morning, especially on the mornings when I have to go work out, because sometimes I don't be feeling like going to go work out. And so looking at that page on my locked in Instagram page, it helps me to feel motivated when I'm not feeling motivated. And I know a lot of people get feeling like, oh, I don't feel motivated to do this. I don't feel motivated to do that. Building your routine that I talked about in step one is going to help to um, have you be disciplined. Discipline is going to outweigh motivation every single time. So if you are disciplined to get up and go do something, to get up and go to work, get up, fix your breakfast, get up, brush your teeth, you can be disciplined to stay the course with your weight loss journey. So that is something that helped me. So create you a locked in account either on like Instagram or TikTok, wherever you watch, videos and stuff from, and gear it towards your algorithm that you want to see. Like you want to be able to see fitness content, motivation content, stuff like that. Number three, third thing that has helped me in my weight loss journey, which I literally found out about, I would say June of last year, is that I needed to be in a calorie deficit and I needed to figure out what my calorie deficit was in order to lose weight. My thing is right now, I want to lose weight, but I want to lose it at a slow and steady pace so that I can maintain my weight loss. I don't want to lose it too fast to where I have loose skin. I don't want to lose it too fast to where I end up gaining it all back. So I went on the TDEE Calculator. It's a website, and you can put in like your age, your height, how much you weigh, and like your activity level, and it will tell you exactly how many calories you need to stay where you're at, how many calories you need to lose weight. And it's usually going to be about like 500 calories less than what your calorie is to maintain. And it will show you like how many protein, like how much protein you need, how much grams of fat you need, how many grams of carb you need. You can stick to like a balanced diet. You could stick to a low carb diet. You can stick to a like low fat diet or whatever. So you can gear it towards you. So I usually say when I started it, I cut my calories to about 1,800 calories. So that kind of helped me to still be able to enjoy and eat stuff that I liked eating. And I think it has helped me in the long run. Like I said, it's been a year and a half and I'm down 30 pounds. So it took over a year for me to lose this weight, but it has stayed off and I have been maintaining it for that time period. Go on the TDEE website to figure out what your calorie deficit should be, and you can tailor your meals to there. Now, I do have a scale, so I weigh my food. I look at my macros and my like how much grams of food and everything. Like I put that on my scale. So you will need a scale if you're planning on doing that. There's also other apps like the MyFitnessPal app and stuff like that. But I don't use that app. I just log my food. I literally write it in a notebook. That's how I track my calories. I track it by hand. So that's what I do. And it has been working. So number four, I went to Chat GPT. I created a workout regimen. And I also told Chat GPT to create me meals within my calorie range. So under 1,800 calories for breakfast, lunch, and dinner with some snacks. And I also told it like what foods I don't like. So definitely use ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help you out so much. And then also it helped me to create my workout split. So at first I was doing 3 days a week. I told it to create me a 3 day workout split and I wanted to start off at like a beginner level and I wanted to incorporate weights into my training, so weight training and also cardio. And that's what I still do to this day. I do weight training now and cardio, and I work out 4 times a week instead of 3 times. And for your workout plan, you want to follow it for a consistent amount of time. So I follow my workout plans for about 6 weeks. So when I create my workout plan, I'm going to follow that same plan consistently for 6 weeks. And that's how you see results. And also, that helps you to kind of work your way around the gym. Like if you're new to the gym, you don't really know like where the machines are and stuff. Like always trying to try something new is not going to help to target your muscles and stuff all the time that you're trying to see improvement in. So create a routine. You can have ChatGPT help you to create this routine. In the gym, you can say I want to work arms, upper body on Monday, legs on Tuesday. I want to work glutes on Thursday, and then I want to work my core on Friday. So you can tell it everything that you need to tell it, and then it will come up with a list of exercises for you to do. And then if you don't know how to do some of those exercises, just look them up on TikTok because they're there. Like Everything is on TikTok. So look it up on TikTok, look it up on Google, and yeah, you'll have your routine set in stone. So do the meal plan and the workout routines together. Combine it together for 6 weeks. Okay. And number 5, the last thing, and some people might not like this. If you don't, then oh well, this video is not for you, even though you've stayed this long. But I am a true believer that, God is the only one who can help you on this journey. So I really started diving deep into the Bible. I started looking up scriptures that happen to deal with like weight loss or your body and stuff, and how to honor your body before God. I would find scriptures and stuff, and I'm going to list those scriptures in the description box below for you guys to have as well. And then I also created like affirmations based on those scriptures. And I would say these affirmations every morning when I woke up. So, one thing that I did before like starting my weight loss journey, I would binge eat. And so, if you are a binge eater like how I was, um, start to say that I have a healthy relationship with food. Like I would say that all the time. I have a healthy relationship with food. And so now I feel like I've gotten better and I do have a better and healthier relationship with food. Sometimes I still might, have a cheat meal or something like that, but I don't let it turn into a cheat week anymore. Um, and if I do have a cheat meal, 1 or 2 cheat meals in like a weekend or something, I don't get down on myself anymore for it because I'm like, okay, we can get back on track. Like, you know what's healthy, you know what's not healthy, you know what's good for your body, you know what's not good. So let's get back on track. Let's get back into it. And that has really helped me to not feel like guilty for overeating and then like basically self sabotaging myself. Like, oh, I didn't ate that today. I might as well eat that the rest of the week. Like, no, girl, like, let's start this thing over tomorrow. Like, you good. So that has definitely helped me. So definitely, I feel like getting into your word, getting into the Bible, reading those scriptures to help with your weight loss. Also, it helps with your mental clarity, helps with your emotions and stuff. Yeah, it just helps with your self confidence overall as well. And then creating those affirmations. I'll also list some affirmations for you guys to say down in the description box as well. So yeah, those are basically the main 5 things that I've done so far to help me on my weight loss journey. I hope that this was helpful to you guys. Let me know in the comment section if this has been helpful, if you're going to start on your weight loss journey. Like, sis, summer is in 21 days, so let's get to it. Like, let's get it. You got it. I believe in you. If y'all want to join me on this journey, I am going to start posting more like fitness content and stuff on this page. Um, Doing like some more meal planning and stuff on this page as well. So if you guys want to see that, just let me know. And yeah, I hope that this was a help to somebody. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.